How to withdraw Hamster Kombat token to your Binance account. Immediately you open your Binance account, click on Wallet over here. Then click on Spot over here. In the search bar over here type HM like this and Hamster Kombat's token will be displayed. Immediately, you see the Hamster Kombat token, click on it. Click on this Deposit Crypto over here. Then select the Ton Coin network. To withdraw your Hamster token to your Binance account, both Hamster Memo and Hamster Deposit address will be required. First, copy your wallet address by clicking on this copy sign over here. After copying your wallet address, go over to your Hamster Kombat in the Telegram mini app and click on this Airdrop over here. Select the Binance exchange by clicking on it. And if you already have a Binance account, click on Yes, I have it over here. Now, all you need to do is to paste the Hamster deposit address that you already copied from Binance into this section here. Afterwards, head over to your Binance once again, but this time, copy the memo address by clicking on the copy icon over here. Then, head over to your Telegram once again and paste the memo you copied from Binance into this section written memo over here. Then, click on this Save and Choose over here. Congratulations! Your Binance is now fully connected and ready for withdrawal. And if you'd like to watch the tutorial on how to withdraw your Hamster token using your Bybit account, click on this next video over here. Thank you guys for watching, see you in our next episode, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.